But there is a shield. The mental firewall. Sentinel detects the markers of persuasion.
Verifying the source. Beyond the screen name.
Deepfake voice detection. Filtering the synthetic.
Analyzing tone and cadence for inconsistencies.
Detecting manufactured urgency in real time.
Active defense against cognitive hijacking.
Putting the power of verification in your hands.
Protecting the human chain of your business.
Trading without the psychological pressure.
Persuasion marker.
Low.
Seeing the world with calibrated doubt.
Building the unhackable mind of 2026. Assets secured by behavioral intelligence.
Trust is now a metric, not a risk. Integrity verified.
Leveling the field against the masterminds.
A global community of protected thinkers.
The architect failed. Your mind is safe.
Bypass attempt prevented. Turn the Sentinel on. Own your logic.
Sustainable growth through secure choice.
Fixing the flaws in human decision-making.
The future of social intelligence is verified.
Find your way back to what's real.
No more blind faith, only proof. Status protected. Holding the key to the master hack. The beacon of truth in a hall of mirrors.
Alpha level high. The edge belongs to the skeptic.
Integrated mental security for your portfolio. Securing the thoughts that move money.
The return of the rational investor. Collaborative defense. Mind and AI. Universal protection for everyone.
Mission complete. The ghost is gone. Identity secured.
Wealth 2.0. Reclaiming your future.
Don't trade on hope. Trade on proof.
Empowered by integrity. Tech serving you. The ultimate promise. Security you feel. Your mind is shielded. Engineering fairness into the code. Choosing the path of the Sentinel.
Welcome to TradingMaster.
Your new era begins. Start your audit. Assets. Knowing who you trade with. The visionary investor. Unmoved by hype. Clearing the path for secure communication.
Verification complete. Truth is confirmed. You are safe.
The archive of verified human signals.
Phase 6. The Skeptic's Dawn.